Hi, my name is Michael Crowley and I'm here at the UR booth at the Automate trade show. I am with 3D Infotech and here we're showing off the Universal Smart Cart 2x4, showing off the UR5E Series with a Creaform HandyScan blue line laser scanner. This entire product is geared around automating the entire metrology inspection operation. From being able to move the robot around and collect the scan data, to processing a mesh, to finally analyzing that mesh and telling you if the part is good enough to go into an overall assembly. So we have our product here, Streamline, which integrates directly with the UR robots. It integrates with the 3D Infotech rotary tables, the Creaform HandyScan, and a lot of other scanners. You can basically think of it as a conductor. It tells all the different components what to do and when to do it. So I think this is a really fun demo. We've gotten to the point where we have just finished scanning. We can see it meshing, and we're going to ask our robot Johnny here, is this a good mesh? Johnny seems to think it's a good mesh. So once we have all of that data collected, we can go ahead and process that data in a software called Polyworks. This is a metrology software. It is built specifically to analyze the 3D data and compare it to CAD. There's all kinds of ways that you can compare these 3D scan data to a CAD model, from data alignments to datum-based alignments to various features that you're trying to extract. All of that data is very important for our end users. So thank you so much for joining me here at the Automate trade show. Hope you guys have a wonderful time.